Okay, welcome to the silver market update. So you can see here, this is the silver market up here on the left. Shows that this is silver, we're in US dollars. I drew this line in earlier. I tried to connect all the previous highs, so including this one here, and have a look where we are here. So silver's making a charge from these lows. You can see that these lows matched up with the volume profile. From there we were to head further north. That low price looks to be around about $23.90 roughly, versus $29 up at this red line here. So that seems to be where we're headed. At the moment we pushed higher, but we come back a little bit, and we'll wait and see what happens in terms of the price. The volume profile does indicate that a high looks to be about where this node here sticks out. So we could pull back to that point. It might be possible that we, from this point, head up to the 29, maybe come back to that volume node, and then we make a run for it. That would match up nicely with this 50-day moving average you see here. Or if you draw it in blue, it's the same color. So it matches up with that. That would be a reasonable expectation. I think that certainly if it did get back to this area in here, I would absolutely be looking to buy this, because I think that would be if it's going to turn, that would be the turning point. It's also quite possible that this becomes a very bullish move and that we actually break up above it and head higher. We do have some important dates coming up. One of those is the 28th of May, which is the futures expiry date. You can see that matches up nicely with this, if it were to take place. If we were to rally, it might be possible that by the 28th of June, we see a top. In fact, I'm pretty certain about this. That would indicate to me a bit of a top, and then we'd have to pull back, perhaps to the 29 level, and then we go. So that's a possibility as well. But until we see the price action and what it's going to do, we won't actually know that. And we'll have to wait and see what happens. But that's the silver market. That's a bit of an update. It's been on fire. It's looking really good. And that's a possibility. Is it possible that we'll hit this and come back down? Well, look, it is possible we come all the way back down here. If that was the case, I think that would only fuel physical silver bar buying. And I think that would be an even worse case for the bullion bank. So I don't think that'll happen. It's more likely that we'll see one of those first two options I posed. Anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching.